This morning, two fast-moving wildfires raging in the Grand Canyon, plumes of smoke billowing from the north rim. Firefighters on the ground trying to extinguish the charred remains of buildings. Park officials confirming one of those structures, the Grand Canyon Lodge, a century-old staple, was consumed by the Dragon Bravo fire, which has now burned at least 5,000 acres. Kirsten Fong was staying at the lodge.
I just felt like such a special place to be there, and to think that it just all got annihilated after we were only there a few hours.
40 miles north, the White Sage Fire destroying more than 40,000 acres. Many forced to evacuate, including more than 200 visitors and workers at the Jacob Lake Inn.
We have been in the same place for 102 years, but at the same time, so has the Grand Canyon Lodge.
And in Utah, the Deer Creek fire's intensity, winds whipping up, fire swirling. Firefighters capturing this firenado as they battled the massive inferno.